Welcome. After seeing the first concept of statistics and its importance in different fields, we see the basic concepts of statistics like data. So, in entire statistics, any data is divided into three types. So, we see the types of statistics, types of data in statistics. There are three types of data in statistics which are called as raw data, discrete data and continuous data. These are also called as raw data is also called as individual data or it is a crude data. The definition is like this: raw data often referred to as source or primary data. This data that has not yet been processed, coded, formatted or analyzed. While raw data is a valuable resource, it can be challenging to work with or understanding as it's visually clustered and can lack cohesion. Example statistics: the grades of all the students in a class, list of music being streamed on a radio, amount collected by students for teachers Day celebrations. Like this, a raw data is a crude data which is not at all processed. The data is like this, the raw data is like this. It contains different numbers like zeros, ones, twos, negative numbers. It can be a raw data which has not at all been processed and it is nothing but individual data. The second type of data is called discrete data or discrete frequency data. The definition is data that can only take certain values is called discrete data or discrete values. This is data that can be counted and has a limited number of values. It usually comes in the form of whole numbers or integers. These values must fit into certain categories and can't be broken into smaller parts. Examples: the size of your department workforce, how many new clients you brought on board in the previous quarter, how many items are currently kept in stock. The example for discrete data is like this. It contains basically two columns. In the first column, we see the variable, like here in the example we see the variable is age, which is given in years. The age is here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is the age, the variable given here. And the second column is the number of employees, which is called as frequency. The number of employees, that is the frequency, is given like this: 8, 12, 3, 1 and 4. That is the example. The elaboration of this table is that in discrete data is two columns, one is variable and its corresponding frequency. Here the age 16 has the number of employees 8. So, there are 8 employees in that company where the age is 16. There are 12 employees whose age is 17. There are 3 employees whose age is 18 and there is only 1 employee whose age is 19 and there are 4 employees whose age is 20. Like that, this is given in a bar diagram. This is the example for discrete frequency data. Next one is the third type of data is called continuous frequency data or continuous data. The data is the continuous data are those that can be measured. It is conceivable for this data to take on an unlimited number of different values because its values are not fixed. There are smaller individual components that make up these matrices as well. Example in statistics: an individual's weight, the temperature in a city daily wise, how much time is required to finish an activity or project. It is a unlimited data and which is called as continuous data. It contains the class intervals. Here also there are 2 columns related to this data. In the first column there are class intervals. In this example we see the age group of different human beings and the number of people corresponding to that age group. The difference between discrete data and here is, in discrete data, in the first column, the variable, there are only individual numbers. Like we see in the previous discrete data, we have the age given as 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like that. But here in continuous data, we have the interval of the age. Like this, in the first age group, we see 10 to 19. The age is 10 to 19. The second age group is 20 to 29. The third age group is 30 to 39. And the fourth age group is 40 to 49. and the number of people, it is called as frequency. Here the number of people 25, the first value is 25. The 25 refers to the number of people who are in the age group 10 to 19. The second value, the second number of people is 19, the second frequency it is called as. The frequency 16 refers to the number of people who are in the age group 20 to 29. And the third frequency is 22. It refers to the number of people who are in the age group 30 to 39. And the fourth frequency is 18. It refers to the number of people who are in the age group 40 to 49. This is the definition of frequency in the continuous data. It is given in the histogram. In the histogram here it is a continuous data. So, all the bars are connected to each other, which is called as continuous data. Thank you.